Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use File Dock in Oppo Updated. Open Settings, then go to Convenience Tools and enable File Dock and practice dragging a file to the dock. File Dock gives fast access without opening apps, so you can move photos, documents, or links quickly. I will guide you through toggles, gestures, and simple organization tips that make daily use faster and less stressful. Toggle File Dock on from Settings to start using it immediately. After enabling, try placing the dock on your preferred side and pin a frequently used folder. Practice dragging a photo into the dock to create a quick shortcut. I will explain how to customize icons, set preview behavior, and remove items you no longer need, so your dock stays relevant and uncluttered for everyday tasks. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers clear thinking about money and habits, which pairs nicely with organizing digital life and priorities. I think the book is worth a read and a smart companion to productivity tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Drag and drop is the most helpful gesture for File Dock, so try moving a document into the dock for instant access. Long press any item to rename, share, or remove it, and use folders to keep related files together. I will also show how to preview files quickly and move items between folders so your File Dock adapts as your needs change, keeping workflows smooth and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.